What's up guys and hello mga Omega, this is Martin Dave and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing one of the most requested vlog or video here in my channel. And you know what? This is the 50 random facts about me. This video is actually requested by one of my Facebook friend, but unfortunately, hindi ko na maalala kung sino yon, pero ni-request talaga yung video na to sa akin. But honestly, I have listed the facts na sasabihin ko talaga sa inyo. So nilista ko talaga lahat ng facts na sasabihin ko sa inyo, baka makalimutan ko. So without further ado, let's get started. First, nais ko pong ipaalam sa lahat na 100% virgin pa po ako.
Totoo na talaga to, seryoso na.
First, my full name is Martin Dave Ramirez Inopequis. I'm now 20 years old. I am 100% Filipino. My birthplace is here in Masbate City. And I was born on April 12, 1998. My zodiac sign is Aries. My birthstone is Diamond. And my hometown is Masbate City, the City of Hearts. My current address is Nursery Street, Masbate City, and located here in Purok Sais, Mangahan. So I graduated in elementary at Jose Sorbito Senior Elementary School. And during high school, I graduated at Masbate National Comprehensive High School. And currently, I am studying at Dr. Emilio B. Espinosa Senior Memorial State College of Agriculture and Technology. And I am now in 4th year college, or should I say a graduating student, taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. My weight is 25. So my real weight is, I guess, 75, 70. I am 5'5" in height. My shoe size is 12 or 13. My favorite color is navy blue or sky blue, but anything basta blue. My favorite movie is Harry Potter. In terms of K-drama, hindi naman ako talaga fan ng K-drama, but I actually finished watching the Doctors from South Korea K-drama entitled Doctors. So my favorite local singer is Morissette Amon. So favorite music, madami naman akong gustong mga music, but for now at this moment yung favorite music ko is yung written by Ariana Grande. We are 4 siblings, 2 boys and 2 girls, and it happened na 3 na kaming babae, joke. So, I am also a dancer. Started during kinder pa lang ako, sumasayaw na ako. I'm also a member of Lapay Banti Dance Group or Dance Festival since grade 3. So, elementary pa lang member na ako. Also, during high school, I belong to the Curriculum of Special Program in the Arts or the SPA in high school, and my specialization is dancing, of course. I am also right-handed. I can speak English, Filipino or Tagalog, and of course Minasbat, and a little bit Japanese, yung mga mga basic terms. And my hobbies are hanging with friends, eating, doing makeups, dancing, and also having mashup or medley to different artists. So I just tried riding an airplane since college. I went already to Japan and that's a dream come true. Aww. And I also traveled many places because of dancing, just like Cebu, many places in Bicol region. Ano pa ba? Rojas City. I have no allergies kasi sa akong Amazona. Charot. I performed already in international dance stage, and that is in Japan. I can dance a lot of dance genre, and my favorite dance genre is dance sport, and to be honest, I'm a regional dance sport qualifier. I also dream to go to Divisoria, and I already achieved that dream kasi nakapunta na ako ng Divisoria. Favorite foods? Basta yung mga maaalat, maasim, at matatamis. Yan ang mga favorite foods ko. My makeup artist idol, and of course, is James Charles. My favorite subject, as usual, English. And I hate numbers. Typically, I hate math. I love pop songs, rap, and any lively music. Isa pang nakakahiya about me is, nung elementary pa ako, umiihi pa ako dun sa banig. At kapag natutulog, ako ay naka-underwear lamang, naka-brief lamang ako kapag natutulog. My favorite video kiss song na lagi akong nakaka-100 is yung Fly by Nicki Minaj, yung rock. And I consider myself as a Raketera of the Year sa aming school kasi lahat ng racket ay pinapasok ko. Kagaya ng pag-makeup, pagtuturo ng sayaw, pag-hosting at marami pang iba. I also joined beauty or gay pageants. And also, I'm a makeup artist. And for the information of everybody, I just started doing makeup since first year college. I studied cosmetology or makeup trainings here in TESDA sa Masbate. And my favorite Hollywood artist is Shawn Mendes. So, ayun na nga, nasabi ko na lahat ng 50 random facts about me. So, marami pang facts about me, pero yun lang muna, yung 50 facts about me. But, yung facts na sinabi ko sa inyo, just this recent, hindi para magyabang or not to brag. The purpose of this 50 random facts about me is just for you to get to know me more or para mas makilala nyo ako. So if you enjoy watching this video, please like and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and i-click nyo na rin ang notification bell para maging updated kayo sa lahat ng mga susunod kong videos. Thank you for watching and